The Smart Kitchen Revolution. How AI and automation are changing how we cook. The kitchen has always been the heart of the home, but in 2025, it's also becoming the brain. AI-powered appliances and smart devices are taking over everyday tasks, making home cooking more efficient and personalized. From intelligent ovens that recognize your meals to Vise-activated fridges that order groceries when you're running low. The Smart Kitchen is no longer a futuristic dream. It's a present-day reality, with companies like Samsung, LG, and GE leading the charge. Connected kitchen ecosystems are being integrated into smart home platforms, turning meal prep into a seamless, automated experience. One of the biggest breakthroughs in modern kitchens is adaptive cooking technology. Smart stoves and ovens now use sensors and machine learning to adjust temperature, time, and even ingredients on the fly. Imagine placing a tray of vegetables in the oven, and it automatically determines the best roasting temperature based on moisture content and thickness. These systems learn your preferences over time. Crispy edges or tender centers, and deliver consistent results every time. Recipe apps now pair directly with appliances, guiding them step by step through cooking tasks, while giving you the freedom to multitask or relax. Another trend transforming kitchens in 2025 is sustainability. Smart kitchens aren't just about convenience. They're about reducing waste and energy. Compost tracking bins measure food scraps and offer tips on how to reduce leftovers. Water-efficient dishwashers use AI to adapt their wash cycles based on how dirty the dishes actually are. Fridges with spoilage sensors remind you to use ingredients before they expire. And some even suggest recipes based on what's left inside. The goal? Help households. Finally, personalization is taking center stage. AI cooking assistants can now cater to specific dietary needs, allergies, and flavo preferences for each family member. Whether you're keto, vegan, or gluten-free, your kitchen can suggest meals, portion sizes, and substitute ingredients accordingly. Meal planning apps connected to your pantry and grocery list make shopping efficient, while AR interfaces on countertops project step-by-step visual instructions, creating an intuitive and inclusive cooking space for all.